Hey everyone, this is Hedge. Today we're going to go over how to install the Experience and Age plugins for your Pwnagotchi. Should be pretty easy if you just follow along. Links to everything will be in the description. Let's get started. First thing we're going to do is SSH into our Pwnagotchi. I've actually gone over this in another one of my tutorials, so I'll post the link also in the description. Once you get SSH'd in, let's take a look at our config file. And you're going to look for this line here, main custom plugins. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and add it. And we need to go to this folder on our device. So we'll cd to this directory. You can see there's nothing here, so let's add something. Let's start with the Age plugin. Hannah Diamond has a Pwnagotchi plugin repository that I like, and the Age plugin is the one we're going to be using today. So first you'll need the age.py script, and then you'll have to add these lines to your config.toml. And so this file that we add, the age.py, will go in the customs plugin folder location that's specified that we saw earlier. And so you can actually copy this file here and use sudo nano age.py to create a new age.py script, and we'll paste what we just copied into that file. Control X to save, Y, and then enter. Now that we have the script where it needs to be, now we need to enable the plugin. So we'll copy these contents that are on the main page of this GitHub repo, and we'll need to edit our config.toml. So sudo nano etc pwnagotchi config.toml. And then I like to just paste it under the main customs plugin line. It's right at the top and easy for me to get to, because we're actually going to be editing the coordinates that the plugin actually sits on the screen. So I like to keep it up kind of towards the top. Then go ahead and save it. Control X, then Y, enter. Then I'm going to log into the web page for the Pwnagotchi, the web server, and then you can actually kind of see what I'm seeing on my Pwnagotchi as we work on it. So right now the plugin hasn't taken effect because we need to restart the Pwnagotchi service. So pwnkill actually will restart that service. So instead of rebooting the whole Pwnagotchi, you can just type in that command, and then it will restart the web server and all the plugins. And as you can see, it's kind of not centered well in that gap. So let's go ahead and edit the coordinates for that. So you'll go back into your config file, and then the higher number on these Y coordinates, the lower it goes, and then the lower the number, the higher it will move. So I'll go ahead and do 27, move it up 5 pixels. Make sure you do that for age and strength. And then let's actually add the other plugin while we're at it. So this is the Experience plugin by Gaelic Thunder. And so the process is very much the same. So we'll look at the code, we'll copy it, and then we'll go back to our custom plugin folder. We'll sudo nano exp.py, and then we'll paste the contents that we just copied into the file. and then save it. Then we're going to have to reopen the config file and paste the contents off the main page to enable the plugin and define where it's going to sit on the home screen for the Pwnagotchi. So let's just paste it right below the Age plugin. Oh, and of course there's spaces, so you'll have to delete this, make sure it's there's no tabs or spaces. So once you save it, we'll do pwn kill again just to restart the Pwnagotchi service, and we should see the Agent Straight plugin move up a little bit since we edited that to move up 5 pixels, and then we should see the Experience plugin show up now. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I kind of don't like it up at the top, so I'll probably end up moving it down lower. Just play with the values, see what looks good to you. Some people put it off to the right underneath the like the kick stations, like that text is. But sometimes it interferes with like the memtemp plugin. I like to throw mine underneath the face. But even there, it can interfere with the UI element that displays when a nearby Pwnagotchi is detected, so really maybe the best place would be the bottom right. But then again, it's all preference. And here it is. Pretty easy, and that's how most plugins work too. You just add the Python file to the custom plugin folder, paste the config into the toml, and that's it. Hope you liked the video. Maybe give it a like and subscribe. If you like the case, I sell them on my website. And if you have any suggestions for a future video, let me know in the comments. Thanks.